Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's episode, I will be making fried Oreo and preparing my homemade pancake using my DIY buttermilk. Let's start by putting the Oreos in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Freezing the Oreos will help them hold together in the fryer and not break apart in the butter. Let's make our DIY buttermilk. Mix the whole milk and the lemon juice. I put the mixture in the oven for 30 minutes, oven off, but turn on the light.
After 30 minutes,
let's make the pancake mixtures. Mix all the dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, the sugar, the baking powder, the baking soda, salt, and mix using wire whisk. Then get the buttermilk and mix all the wet ingredients to the buttermilk, the eggs, the vanilla extract, and the melted butter. Whisk, then add to the dry ingredients. Mix all the mixtures of the homemade pancakes until totally combined, but leave some lumps to the mixture. Do not make like a smooth batter. Then add all the Oreos from the freezer to the pancake mixtures. Coat good, then fry the Oreos until golden brown. Fried Oreo! Smells good! Try it! Sarap! Actually, pang second ko na to. It's good! You can also put powdered sugar or sugar, but I'm cutting sugary. That's good. use is my homemade pancake. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe!